download VS Code for Windows and for Mac. So VS Code is a really popular editor by Microsoft which is used to write code in different languages, which includes C, C++, Java, Python, and we can also build huge projects with technologies like Node.js and Django. So let's start with the installation for a Windows system. In Windows system, we are going to go to our browser, which is Chrome, and inside Chrome we are going to search for Visual Studio Code. So now we have to go to this first link that appears in our browser, which does not have any add tag to it. So if there is an add tag, we have to skip that link. Let's directly go to the code.visualstudio.com link, and here we can see a huge download button which is used to download Visual Studio Code. So now we have all of the options for different machines. Since we are working on the Windows machine, we are going to download VS Code for a Windows machine, and we click on the download button and the download starts automatically. So it will take about 2 minutes for VS Code to download. Now once VS Code is completely downloaded, let us double click on it and open it. So this window appears to us, which is to set up Visual Studio Code, and we are going to accept the agreement that Microsoft has for us. We are going to click on this next button, and we will keep the settings to default and click on the next button again. Click next again, and if we want to create a desktop icon, that is if we want to access Visual Studio Code from our desktop from next time, then we can tick on this checkbox and then we have to go to next, and finally install. So right now Visual Studio Code is getting installed in our machine after downloading, and once all of the files are extracted, we can finish the process and this VS Code window appears for us. This appears because we have finally downloaded VS Code, so it has a theme option, and I'm going to go with the dark theme. We are going to do mark done because we don't want to change any of the default settings right now. And now we can open a new file and we can start writing our code. So this was a short tutorial on how you're going to download VS Code specifically for Windows.